Hi ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your support for joining our Train the Trainer certification program. I believe you are now already a certified trainer and even some of you are already accredited. So there's congratulations to all of you. Still a lot of people came to me and asked me, Jackson, I have difficulty in getting clients, I have difficulty in marketing myself, I have difficulty to introduce myself to training providers. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I always mention TDT is just the beginning, but there are still some areas that we need to work on. Very importantly, these are the common challenges for new trainers. Niche, if you don't know your niche, what is your number one core training program that you can market to the potential clients? This is what we want to cover in the one-day event. And also personal branding. Do you already have marketing asset like your personal profile, your LinkedIn presence, your social media presence, your well-designed brochure, your ebook? These are examples of personal branding. Do you already have it? If you have it, then it's good. If you don't have it, come and learn from us about personal branding. And very importantly, when your personal branding is done properly, you will learn how to market yourself. How do you network with training providers? How do you position and sell your training program to your prospective clients? These are also very important skills, and these are the few things that I feel lacking among new trainers. So if you care to learn, come for this one-day event. We're gonna have it in May or June, and it will be done online. So you're gonna learn all these important, essential skills in order to enhance your personal branding and learn a few marketing strategy to get started well in the training industry. Okay, see you in a one-day event.